this will be the elevator here at the Holiday Inn Specs and Suites here in Mattoon, Illinois. And guess what we have here? We got a long elevator from like 2000s. Here, it's very nice, but the door opens slow. You don't want to ring? Fine. Yep. Now the Holiday Inn with these long with the Innovation Decorator. Let's go to 3. The door opens really slow. Let's go down to 1. Basically 2500. Phone with this thing is kind of janky. This is a pretty nice lawn, but not as nice as the, the 90s lawns. Excuse me. Nice cab. I honestly want to say they redid the cab. That's funny. I want to say they redid the cab. Obviously. This is one of the few Holiday Inns that have not been renovated. It's like, even though this is 20 years old, actually pretty nice. Alright, let's go back down to 1. I know this button has been pushed in a lot more. Innovation Decorator. Lawns are like the Maoris of like the South, you know. There's just in this general area, but they also installed some lawns in other areas where you don't see them. There was the elevator. Slow door. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.